35 years, Hennessey has been engineering some of the most insane performance vehicles in the world. And today I am here in Ocala, Florida, just north of Orlando, to tell you that Gary Yeomans Ford is our newest dealer partner to carry some of those performance vehicles. For decades now, owning a Hennessey vehicle meant planning ahead and working directly with us in Texas. With expanding our dealer network, you get to go to your local dealership you're already familiar with, see the product in person, and purchase with confidence. Gary Yeomans was an easy choice for us. They're a phenomenal dealership and they will take care of you and give you the full Hennessey experience right here in Florida. And I just want to take y'all for a quick trip around the lot to show you what is available right now. Let's check it out. All right, the F-150, the truck that everybody knows and loves, but turned up to 11. This one here is our Venom 800 sport truck variant, which means this thing's got a complete suspension overhaul, drop down low so it handles like a sports car. Big lightweight wheels, giant Brembo brakes, and custom carbon fiber everywhere. From the grille up front, the front splitter, to even a custom carbon fiber steering wheel on the interior, it's got it all. But if you say, Adam, I love the F-150, but not the sport truck variant, I like it lifted, I like going off-road, I like towing, we've got you covered as well with the standard Venom 800 platform. It also gets a complete suspension overhaul, but going the other way. It's jacked up on 35s, still got the big brakes, but more off-road capable. Something that's a little bit more subtle is going to be the 91 on the hood. This represents our birth year. Hennessey was founded in 1991, so we decided there will only be 91 of these units produced every year. So you have the performance with this truck, but you also have the exclusivity with it as well. The Super Venom. The Super Venom is Hennessey's highest tier Mustang upgrade currently available. This is 850 horsepower underneath the hood, bespoke custom carbon fiber absolutely everywhere, front to back, top to bottom. There will only ever be 91 units produced, and to have one available here is very special. The Velociraptor here represents the highest level of truck performance in 2026. These come with upgraded steel bumpers, LED lights, suspension upgrades, big wheels, big tires, and 6-piston Brembo brakes. And of course, it wouldn't be Hennessey without all the power under the hood that you could ever want, and then some. You don't need to go searching across the country anymore. Gary Yeomans Ford has brought Texas performance to Ocala, Florida. Get out here, check out their inventory that is constantly changing, and bring home your Hennessey today. This is Hennessey Performance, built vehicles, big power on the ground here at Gary Yeomans Ford.